Hello, beautiful. We're going to be doing some butt work. So you could actually do this while you're working. Take a 5-minute break and let's do some butt exercise. Get ready. Now let's stretch those muscles before we start doing those butt contractions. So we'll start with the right foot, just bring it above the knee. Press the knee down. The music is going to start, but we're going to still keep our stretch. Okay, now switch. Breathe, open up the chest. And now relax, but try to keep the expansion. Try not to slouch. All right, so let's bring the right leg just up, bring it up top of your chair, bring it close to your chest. Now try to bring it a little higher if you can, and switch on top of the chair. If you can, that's fine. Just go as high as you can, and then all the way up, if you can. All right, we're gonna get ready. So I'm just gonna, you can stay like this, it's up to you, but I'm gonna just kind of have my back to you so you can see the glutes doing its work. So I'm gonna start with the both contraction of the glutes. Squeeze, release, contract, release, contract, release. Really relax when you release. Contract and you release, contract and release. I know it looks funny, but this is really good to also help with your hip accents. So when you're doing a bump, you want to use these muscles. So sometimes we overtax our joints. We're trying to move our bone and the bone doesn't move. It's the muscles that makes your bone move. So you got to get these muscles engaged. You got to connect with them. Squeeze, release, keep doing it. Squeeze, release, squeeze, release. So again, if you're behind a computer, you could take a 5-minute break and do these glute contractions and then stretch them out. It's a kind of nice way to kind of make those glute muscles a little bit more perky. And it also increases your energy flow. All right, we're gonna start with the right only. So we're gonna go release, squeeze, release, squeeze, release. Now that's left side. Squeeze, release, squeeze, release, squeeze, release, squeeze, release. You can also do this when I travel. Long distance. I love, or even when I'm on a flight switch, I do these contractions all the time. Keeps my muscles toned. And let's do left side. And now we're going to go right for 4. And left. 2. Left 2. And we're going to alternate. It's right, release, left. Contract, release, contract, release, contract, release, contract, release. Okay, let's do 4 more slow. I'm going to kind of speed this up. You ready? So we're going to go 4, 3, 2, 1. Now 4, 3, 2, 1. Contract, release, contract, release. Right, left, right, left, right, left. You really want to release. So it's like a squeeze, release, squeeze, release, squeeze, release, squeeze, release. Don't hold a contraction. You want to release that muscle. Contract, release, contract, release. Right, left, right, left. Now let's try to go even faster. So you go right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Now sometimes we don't release. We kind of hold on to the contraction, and that's normal. So if you're having a hard time, just go slower. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. All right, let's go both together. Nice and slow. Both cheeks, squeeze, release. Now I'm really feeling the muscles working, so you should feel it too. Squeeze, release, squeeze, release. Again, just both glutes. And now 8 on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, now left. Keep going. We're almost done. 6, 7, 8. Now 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. 1, 2. Now 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now we're going to go right, left, right, left, right, left, and relax. Good. So if you want to, you could do the same stretch we did at the beginning where you're just going to bring your leg up, bring that knee down. You're also stretching the inner thigh. That was good. Switch, left side. So if you have 5 minutes during your day, if you could do this twice during the day, go ahead, or maybe twice a week. It really will help to build those muscles in your glutes, but also when you're doing hip accent, boom, I'm always using my muscles in my glutes. I never try to focus the muscles here. It's always from here. Ba-boom, 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 ba-boom. And then that reverb reaction is the letting go. Da-da, da-da, da-da. Okay? So I know when we do these contractions, sometimes when we're going fast, we tend to hold it. But we need to learn to let it go. Contract, let it go. Contract, let it go. All right? Just like in life. Sometimes we hold stress. Sometimes we need to let it go. Have a wonderful day.